this video I'll show you how it's possible to restore a used moped with just 100 euros. First of all, we'll see the condition of the transmission. We remove the crankcase cover in order to access the transmission. We can see there are a lot of debris and it's very dirty. Now we use an impact driver to remove both the bolts that keep the transmission in place. First of all, we remove the clutch and then we'll remove the variator. We can see that the belt is pretty damaged, so we're gonna replace it. Instead, the clutch is in pretty good shape, so we'll keep it. We need to remove these 3 bolts to access the rollers of the variator. The rollers are destroyed, so we must change them. I bought a new Mitsubishi belt for my Piaggio moped and a Malossi multivar variator for just 30 euros. Included in the variator are a set of new rollers, 7.2 grams. Make sure it slides nicely. Unfortunately, I had to buy a new spacer. This is a 6mm. We insert the spacer on the crankshaft and then it's time for the variator itself. Since it's very hard to insert it, I used a rubber hammer to help me. Make sure to insert the belt in the right direction. Before tightening the bolt with the impact driver, use your hand to tighten it and make it roll a few times. I cleaned the crankcase cover from all the debris of the belt. Always tighten your bolt in the opposite direction first. see the scooter runs properly and smoothly.